here executing my right to the freedom of press, guaranteed to me by the First Amendment of the United States Constitution. All rise for the Honorable Judge Brown. Raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I so swear.
We are here today to hear the trial of Hewin versus the state. The charge is first-degree murder, and the possible sentence is death. Would the defense like to state the opening statement?
Yes, Your Honor, I would. My client, as you know it, is innocent until proven guilty. Until the prosecution provides evidence that's disproving this, my client is innocent. All the evidence that has been surfaced is completely circumstantial. Thank you.
Okay, prosecution, do you have an opening statement?
The victim to this man's heinous crime was found dead on April 19th, 4 days after tax day. The victim did not file a tax extension. The defendant works directly under the IRS. We suspect somebody in the IRS sent the defendant to kill the victim. And I must mention, the victim owed $5 million to the IRS in taxes.
Thank you. We will take a 15-minute recess.
I was simply executing my right to bear arms the night Orenthal James was murdered.
Correct. You have the Second Amendment that gives you the right to bear arms.
Ever since that interrogator yelled at me, I've been different.
So, I hear you've been accused of killing somebody.
Yes, Dad.
Where were you on the night of April 19th?
I plead the Fifth!
That was your last chance.
That was God!
Where were you on the night of April 19th?
I plead the Fifth!
I resume this court session. Prosecution, you can now take an attempt towards Mr. Gavin.
Thank you, Your Honor. The night of April 19th was a grim one for many. Orenthal James's family lost a loved one. The country lost a very productive man. All of this because the defendant decided to pull the trigger. I would like the jury to review the witness list. I would like to call Miss Amanda Yee to the witness stand. Do you permit it, Your Honor?
I do!
Now, Missy, what is your relationship with the defendant?
I am Mr. Helton's ex-girlfriend.
And if I may ask, where was your ex-boyfriend on the night of April 19th?
He was not at home. He said he had to work late and didn't come home till 1 o'clock in the morning.
Interesting. Scientists have concluded that Mr. James was murdered around 10 o'clock at night. By that logic, he could have spent around 3 hours disposing of the body. Now, Miss Yee, how far away do you live from the Santa Ana River, which just so happens to be the place where the body was found?
Well, maybe about 3 hours.
Interesting. That's about the time it would take to make a round trip there and back. 3 hours. Thank you, Missy. That is all we need. As you can see, Mr. Houghton here obviously killed Mr. James, disposed of the body, and was home in time just for bed.
Your Honor, can we address the prosecuting lawyer?
Yes, you may.
Sir, have you obtained the murder weapon?
Why, yes, I have.
And did you obtain a search warrant to search his house and find it? The Fourth Amendment guarantees the right to privacy on one's property.
We did obtain a search warrant, correct. If I may address the judge and the jury, we have one more critical piece of evidence. Cameraman, would you please come forward?
tied me about 3 months back to trail Mr. James since he owed so much. I just happened to be there the night this incident happened.
As you can see, this is more than enough evidence to convict Mr. Houghton here.
Has the jury made their decision?
Yes, Your Honor, we have. We find Mr. Gavin E. Houghton guilty of first-degree murder and sentenced to death.
Bailiff, take him away.
No. The Eighth Amendment states that I don't have to have cruel and evil punishment. I have rights.
Wait, guys. Aren't we forgetting something?
The First Amendment gives you the rights of religion, assembly, petition, press, and speech.
The Third Amendment has the right not to house troops.
And the Fifth Amendment guarantees that the accused has the right not to be testified against themselves, and that they have to have a jury of their own peers. It also states that you cannot be tried for the same charge twice.
And the Sixth Amendment, which is the right to a speedy trial, right to your lawyer, and right to be notified of your crimes.
There is a Seventh Amendment, the right to a jury in some civil cases.
And the Ninth Amendment guarantees basic human rights.
And the 10th Amendment guarantees any rights that are not in the Constitution are the state or yours.